Welcome back, traders. In this video, you'll be learning how to increase your risk to reward ratio, like you're making 1:20, 1:30, and so on. Without wasting your time, let's go into the video right now. For you to increase your risk to reward ratio, you need to analyze your trade from higher time frame and then set your entry using lower time frame. So right now, we're going to be using this particular chart, for example, and then this strategy was on every single pair. But the major and important thing you need to understand is the dynamic and the techniques on how this particular strategy work. So right now, what you're going to do is just like to get our buyers from higher time frame, and then you check right here. So this is on daily time frame. I will have to analyze the market from daily time frame and then to know exactly that price is going to on daily time frame. Your higher time frame can be on 4-hour time frame, can be on weekly time frame. It all depends, but the strategy works with every single pair you want, you understand? And then it all depends on the strategy you are trading. But for the sake of this video, we are using what higher time frame, and then our daily time frame is what our higher time frame. So and then if you study the markets, so you're going to study the markets, consider price going what on a bearish direction. Price going what on a bearish direction, and the price end up breaking structure here. So after that, price end up breaking this particular high, then price come all the way down to the trees. So you're expecting price to form what this higher high, then we have higher low, then you're expecting price to form what another higher high on daily time frame. So let me just delete this right here. So this is the high you're expecting price to take. Then once price go above this particular high, then we another price has already from what higher high. So if you study the market, price was consolidating a little bit here, but inside the consolidation, price also is going what on a bullish direction. You can see that our price start from here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low. We're expecting price to form something like higher high also, and then price can come down a little bit before breaking this one, and also price can end up breaking it at once. You understand? It all depends, but we are going to like to analyze the market to know which one is price going to do. So let me just delete this, and then we're expecting price to go above this particular high. So you're expecting price to go above this particular high. So if you check the market and then if you study the markets, consider price end up breaking two highs there. Price broke this particular high in. So price broke this, and also price end up breaking this particular high. So on daily time frame, we have what a strong order block, we have what a real order block here. So on daily time frame, we are able to like to identify order block that price going to come back to. So we first get our buyers on daily time frame, where exactly is price going to, which is bullish direction. And then right now we have what a daily time frame order block. So this is a daily time frame order block, but this order block is very big. If you have to like to use this particular order block, then if you set our entry here, then a stop loss, and also if you have to set our take profit here. So this is gonna give us like 1:3. So this 1:3 is very small. So you have to go down to lower time frame, just like to do top-down analysis to see where exactly is price going to get to inside this particular daily time frame order block before price going what on a bullish direction. So right now we're going to go down to like our 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. So we'll be expecting price to return back to this particular order block. So once price gets to this particular order block, we start to analyze the market and then to find a perfect entry. Like the same thing that up here, we have what a break of structure. So you'll be expecting what another break of structure to occur on lower time frame. So once that break of structure occurs, then you can make use of the order block. So right now I'll just play the market and then to see if price eventually tap this particular order block. Okay, let me increase the speed. Okay, let me reduce this one a little bit. So price still consolidating and then price just moving. Let's just wait for it to tap into this particular order block. So you have to like to be patient with the strategy because price can take a lot of time before coming back to this particular order block. But you'll be sure that once price gets to this particular order block, price is going what on the bullish direction. So right now price has got it to what our order block. So you're going to start studying the market, what actually happened, and then you are going to be expecting what a break of structure. So right now you're going to be doing market structure. Price was coming all the way bearish, then we have what higher high, then higher low, lower low, then another higher low, lower low, higher low, then lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, then lower low. So price end up breaking this particular high here. So we have what a break here. So we have BOS, And then how many high does this movement end up breaking? It only break, I think, only one. So this movement is not the one that is responsible for this particular break here. It only broke one high. So any single time you see price end up breaking one particular high and then it not break any other high, the other block that end up breaking only one high, price won't respect the other block. Price will rather go below it, you understand? So I did a video on how to identify a real order block. You can check the video out. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you know how to identify a real order block and then the one that's not a real order block. So price end up breaking this particular high, then be expecting price to go below this particular low because this is the order block. If that you have another order block below it, you're going to make use of the order block straight up. But right now we only have one single order block, so you're not expecting price to respect this particular order block. So we'll be expecting price to go below it. So let me draw a liquidity line here. So I'll be expecting price to tap this particular low out. Once price tap it out, then we can analyze the market also by going down to lower time frame, just like to find the perfect entry. Okay, price not come back. Okay, price still moving. Can you see that price end up tapping out this particular low here? Let's check. One thing about price is very precise. So this is the low. You can see that price end up going below it with a little peep. This little peep can end up taking a lot of people stop loss, but the major thing is just for you to understand the market. Once you understand the market, then you know exactly that price is going to get to and the way price is not going to get to. So right now, just because this order block is not what a real order block, that is why price have to come all the way back to this particular low and then take it out. So if that we have another order block below it, we will have used the order block, but right now we don't have any other block below it. So you are going to like to study the market to wait for what another break or structure or lower time frame. So let's just check 1 hour time frame. So you go down to 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame right now, you can see that price end up tapping out this particular low out, and then when price was going on a bullish direction, price end up breaking too high. So we have one break here. There's the first break, and then we have another break here. So why is responsible for this break? So this order block is what a real order block. The reason why it's a real order block just because price end up breaking two highs. If the price end up breaking only one, we are not going to use it. We are going to use the other block below it. But right now we are not having another block below it. You understand? So we are going to wait for another structure to form. But right now price has end up forming what another structure. So if you also like to use this particular order block, let's just check for our what risk to reward ratio. Let's see if we can still go down to lower time frame or we should make use of this. So you're going to set our TP using what higher time frame, which is daily time frame. You started the analysis from daily time frame. So from daily time frame, we know where prices is exactly going to. So we're going to go back to like daily time frame, just like to set what our take profit. So on D. Sorry. So on daily time frame right now, so you're going to set what our take profit here, and then this is going to go like 1:16. So this where second take profit is gonna be, but we are going to like to be using this first take profit. The second take profit is just like 1:24. We are going to be using this first one, and then this 1:16. So you can see aim for more. So let's just go back to like a 1 hour time frame. So right now you can see the price end up tapping into this particular order block, daily order block like 3 times. So what you're going to be doing right now is like to go to lower time frame to find a perfect entry. So you are not going to wait for a break or structure to occur because price can end up going what's on a bullish direction without giving us a chance to enter again because it has occurred 3 times. You understand? Price has retested that particular order block 3 times. So what you're going to be doing right now is like to go down to lower time frame. Let's check 30 minutes time frame. On 30 minutes time frame, it's still the same order block. Can you see it's still the same order block, and then it end up breaking too high. So let's just check like let's go down to like 5 minutes. Let's check 5 minutes time frame. So on 5 minutes time frame, you have to like to study the market again because we have a lot of information here. So on 5 minutes time frame, you can see this particular order block here, it end up breaking, I think this high. It end up breaking this high, 1. Then it end up breaking So it's not breaking 3 eyes. Can you see it's not breaking 3 eyes there? So this other block is what a strong other block. We're going to make use of this. So but note this, if this other block end up breaking only one eye, this movement from this particular low to this particular eye here, it's end up breaking only one eye. So you're not going to be using this particular other block, you're going to be using the other block below it. But right now we're going to be using this other block because this other block end up breaking like 3 eyes here. So we set our what order entry here and then our stop loss below it. So we're going to reduce our entry and then stop loss. So our stop loss is going to be here. So our take profits are going to set the same place we set on daily time frame take profit. I think it's there. Okay, so it's there. So if you have to check the ratio right now, this one ratio 34. So I think 1 ratio 34 is fine. So we don't need to go more down to a lower time frame. So let me just play the market out to see what actually happened. So if you have any question concerning this, you can ask in the comment section. Let me play the market out. So let me go to 1 hour time frame so it can be fast. So 1 hour time frame right now. So let me just play the market. Price didn't tap into our entry, remains small. Okay, price eventually come back to our entry, can you see? And then price kept on going on a bullish direction. Price kept on moving. Price eventually go towards our take profits, can you see? Price eventually go to our take profit, this is just 134. So that is the simplest way to get towards high risk reward. By going down to a higher time frame, get your buyers. Once you're able to get your buyers, then you know exactly that price is going to. Then you go down to the lower time frame to find a perfect entry. And then for you to get more insights about this, you can join my mentorship program. I explain all these things in details, and then I give you different way, different approach to how you can able to go down to the lower time frame and then to get all this particular trade. And also you can check our last trade. I did the analysis on this channel. It ended up giving us 1 ratio 39. So it's just the same principle I used. This is just 1 ratio 34. And then the last take profit you end up taking is 1 ratio 39 on gold. You can check the video out. I did the analysis before it actually played out. And then some people also entered the trade with me. So we end up making 1 ratio 34. Just imagine you risk 1% inside this particular trade and then you make it 34%. So let's just go back to daily time frame. And let us go back to daily time frame. So on daily time frame right now, if you check the markets, you can see do some analysis. Price end up breaking this particular high here. Price end up breaking this particular high, and also this particular high here. So this other block here is what a real other block. So we'll be expecting price also to return back to this particular other block, and then we can go down to lower time frame to find a perfect entry. Let me just play the market to see if price eventually come back. Can you see that price end up coming back to this particular other block? It's just the same principle. Once you understand the market, you know exactly that price is going to, and then where price is likely going to respect or not. You can also go down to our 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, just to find a perfect entry. And 4 hour time frame right here, you can see that price end up breaking this particular high. This particular high here, and also this particular high. So making this particular order block what a real order block. So we have what a real order block here. You can see that price end up respecting this particular order block and then go what's on a bullish direction. And also you can go down to the lower time frame. If this order block is very big, it's just the same principle that work, you understand? So let's just go down to the lower time frame. So let's just check this 4 hour time frame. Let's check 1 hour time frame. So a 1 hour time frame, you can see this is the other block here. The other block that end up breaking what is it called? 2 high. So this other block end up, can you see this last other block that look like doji candle? Is all responsible for this particular break and also this particular break, and also it end up breaking another one more, this one here. So you can make use of this one or other block, price tap into it and then start going what's on a bullish direction. So you can also go down to a lower time frame, this 1 hour. You can check 15 minutes time frame, or you can check 5 minutes time frame, just to find a perfect entry. So 15 minutes time frame right in. You can see that price end up breaking this high and also this particular high. It's not the one that is stressful for this particular break anymore, and also this one. So we are going to delete it. But price end up breaking these two high here, one there, and then another one here. So price end up breaking this, and then this is the other block responsible. So consider price not go below it. It remain a little peep for price to go below it. So we can also go down to like our 5 minutes time frame, just like to find a perfect entry. So if you check 5 minutes time frame, five minutes time frame is still the particular order block. So you can still go down to like what is it called? 3 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame, just like to find a perfect entry. But if you also like to use this particular order block, let's check the ratio that this one is going to give. Entry. We're going to set what our entry here, then our stop loss, so we're going to set it below here. So and then for our take profit, we go back to like daily time frame to set what our take profit. So let's go back to daily time frame. So right now on daily time frame, you can set what your take profits using this particular high. You can see this moment also end up giving like a 1 ratio. This 1 ratio 32. Let me play the market out to see price. Can you see that price kept on goes on a bullish direction and also get to this particular high? So this will set our take profits. So it said I'll give like 1 ratio 32. So you can see that the strategy is very simple, but the major thing for you to do is like to understand the market and then to understand how the algorithm work. It's just like you going to higher time frame to analyze your trade and then get to your bias. So once you get your bias on higher time frame, then you go to lower time frame to find what a perfect entry. So once you get your entry on lower time frame, then you set what your take profit using what higher time frame. So by this is going to increase your risk to reward ratio. So in this video, I was able to give 2 examples. This one ended up giving us 1 ratio 34, and also this one ended up giving us 1 ratio 32. So if you find this video interesting, I would really appreciate if you like this video and also subscribe if you are new to this channel. And don't forget to watch my video on how to identify a real order block. I'm going to leave the link in the description, and also it's going to pop out here. You can just click on it and then continue watching. So see you in my next video.